Ops 2. Battalion 1. Rescue 1, Ladder 1, Ladder 2, Medic 2, Engine 3, Medic 3 to 176, 176 East Channel Street, across of Priest Street on a residential structure fire. Newark Fire, 176 East Channel Street, across of Priest Street on a residential structure.
Two-story residential, full involved, will be on a 2.5 feet on Ladder 2 have accountability. All units be advised, we have wires down and arcing on the inside of the structure.
Ladder 2 on the scene, reporting fully involved structure, initiating a defensive attack.
Battalion 1 Fire Control on the scene. I'll take the operations. I'm going to be out doing a 360. All units, there is a power line down in front of Ladder 2.
Rescue 1 command, do you want us to come down channel or do you want us to come down Priest?
Come down channel, catch a hydrant. Medic 2, I want you to mark that power line with the cones.
Line 2 copy.
Command of Fire Control, notify the power company.
Battalion 1 requesting AEP to the scene. Fire control to Rescue 1. Hydrants located at Priest and Channel.
Radio 367, did you copy? Stating the male half from the 20 that he's on return, he was requesting 367 to come back.
Rescue 1, I want you to deploy 2.5.
He went to go speak with an SU.
Off the passenger side.
You're clear
Bring it over here, we're at
200 Buckingham, 200 Buckingham.
Side, you start to buckle. You want to rescue 1 to pump? What you're saying?
S2 radio. Who needs to stand
Yeah, we're going to fly Ladder 2 also.
338 was requesting 367 to come back. The male half came back. 328's en route.
Ladder 1 at the time. We're on scene. Where would you like this?
307 the radio, I'll head to Buckingham, 367.
Ladder 1 position out of the way. Send your manpower forward.
328 already said that he's en route as well.
Command of Fire Control, go ahead and make this a working fire. Start I-20.
Battalion 1 reporting working fire, requesting I-20 to the scene.
Rescue 1 expand. Go ahead. Where do you want us to put a line? Bring it around the passenger side of ladder 2 so we can hit a frontal attack when this house is on fire. Passenger side ladder 2, that's right. We're ready for water. Hold up on that water. Hold up on that water. On the way.
Usual aid to Newark. Dude, engine 391, medic 391.
Negative underwater, negative underwater, negative underwater.
201, medic 201. Newark Township, engine 541. Heat, engine 52. Engine 51, 176 East Postal Avenue, cross street of Free Street, working residential structure.
We're in ladder 1.
Dude,
Ladder 1 go.
medic 391, engine 391, Granville, medic 201, engine 201. Newark Township, engine 541.
Ladder 1, are you assisting with the hydrant?
Heat, engine 52, engine 51.
That's the negative. We're walking down your car right now.
176 East Postal Avenue.
Alright, you can grab an action, open up the fence. On the Bravo side of this house, we have a second structure on fire at the rear of the house. Beautifully. We're in that hydrant now. We need water. Go ahead and get the hydrant. Let's go. Here it comes. Station 3's at Channel and Hollander. You want us to come in a certain way, command? Yeah, Station 3, once you come in, one from the north. Go to the north 1 street and come in the alley. North 1 street, come in the alley. Engine 3 copies. Command of Fire Control. Turn out Madison Township for an engine and medic will stand by. Engine 3 to command. We cannot, the tower's blocking us. We're at Prieston Channel. Okay. Somebody move the tower.
Battalion 1 requesting Madison Township engine and medic on standby in their station.
Command all units, 360 is now complete. 2-story home, fully involved. I've got a small shed that's 15 by 10 on fire on the Charlie side. I've got a metal fab building back there also that's catching a little bit of heat. I've got ladder 1 stretching or exposure line for that. Engine 3, I got ladder 1 stretching a line into the yard. You'll have the Charlie sector with ladder 1. You're clear, Chief. We're at the back. You want us to pull the line off engine 3, or you just want us being with ladder 1, man in their line? Just says ladder 1, cover that metal fab building, and put the exposure fire out to be a shed that's 10 by 15 back there. Okay, you're clear. Ladder 1 to ladder 2, operator, go ahead and start that secondary line. Alright.
Negative, no CC, H at all.
45 Ops 2, second dispatch, is medic 391. Newark Township, 541, East Rescue 51, Detroit to Newark, 176, channel, not working as construction fire, engine 3, then, correction, medic 391.
Fire control.
Engine 541.
Rescue 51's in her house.
Detroit to Newark, 176 Channel Street. On a working residential fire. Respond on Ops 2. Copy.
Fire control, Rescue 51's in her house.
You're clear, Rescue 51 heavy en route.
Command all units on the fire ground. Maintain a collapsed perimeter from the primary fire building.
CR is 26347, 26347, 21 time, it's going to be 325, 0325.
In the back of the building. You're overspraying the building. You got water out here on the flat.
Township personnel. Engine and medic crew requested for standby on completion. Madison Fire personnel. 1 engine, 1 medic crew requested on station for standby.
Command to the Charlie sector.
Charlie sector, go ahead, Chief.
Just want to make sure you heard, maintain a glass perimeter. This is a Red X building.
That's perfect, Chief. We backed up and we got it collapsed. Engine 3 to command.
Right.
Respond on 45 Ops 2.
Hey, Chief, just letting you know we got medic 3 back here as well. I didn't know if you knew they were with us or not.
76 Channel Street. On a working residential fire.
So confirming you got medic 3 in your sector, correct?
Correction, Priest Street.
That's permanent.
Medic 698. Detroit to Newark 176 Channel Street on a working residential fire. Respond on Ops 2.
Channel Command Fire.
Fire EMS personnel.
Fire control to channel command.
Medic and engine crew on station for standby.
I have a situation contained here on the fire from the 19 unit.
One medic, one engine crew requested on station for standby.
Battalion 1 reporting situation contained, tying up on scene units. Go ahead.
I need you to continue one engine or one medic to the scene. We're going to turn everybody else to quarters.
Battalion 1 requesting one engine and one medic continue to the scene.